In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and deactivate discounts on the Fresha dashboard in just a few simple steps. If you're looking to adjust your promotional strategies or perhaps streamline your offers, knowing how to deactivate a deal is essential. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring it's as seamless as possible for you. First, you'll want to open up your Fresha dashboard. Once you're there, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the core features and tools that Fresha provides to manage your business. Scroll down until you see the marketing option. You'll notice it by the convenient megaphone icon next to it, which serves as a kind of visual cue indicating that this is where all your promotional tools are located. With a click, you'll open up the marketing options available to you. In the marketing section, your next step is to click on Deals, which you'll find under the Promotion heading on the left side of the menu. This is your hub for managing all kinds of discounts and promotions that you might have running or planned for the future. Once you're in this section, you'll have a clear view of all the discounts you've created. Take a moment to scroll through and review the listings to familiarize yourself with the deals you have available. Now, locating the specific discount you wish to edit is key. Once you have identified the particular deal you're interested in adjusting, glance over to the right side of the screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots associated with each deal. Those dots represent additional options that you can take for each particular discount. Clicking on the 3 dots will reveal a small menu. From this list of options, select Deactivate. By deactivating the deal, it will be temporarily disabled, meaning it will no longer be available for customers to use, but it won't be deleted entirely from your system. This is a useful feature if you plan to reactivate the deal at a later date or want to review its effectiveness without completely removing it. And there you have it. With just these actions, you've successfully deactivated a discount on your Fresha dashboard. Deactivating deals when they're no longer needed or if you want to pause them can help keep your marketing strategies agile and responsive to your business needs. Remember, deactivating is as simple as a few clicks, offering you control and flexibility over your promotional activity. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and you now feel confident in managing your deals directly from the Fresha dashboard. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional Fresha resources or reach out to their support.